Hello friends, welcome to Drive Mode. If you're looking for a car with best-in-class luxury features, the space of a sedan and the ground clearance of XUV, wait no further. Let me present you Hyundai Venue. I was waiting to review this car for a very long time. At last, my friend Clement has bought this car recently and he is with me here right now. Hello Clement.
Hi, boss.
This is my school friend Clement. Clement, can you please say hi to all viewers?
Hi.
Clement, car keys please. Thank you so much Clement. We got the car keys, let's go review the car. So guys, this is the car keys. If you observe, there are three options over here. Lock, unlock and hold button to open the boot of this car. And now let's go to the exterior of this car. On top, there are turn indicators. On the bottom of turn indicators, there are halogen protector headlamps with LED DRLs. Grille of the car is completely finished in chrome and there's a Hyundai badging at the center of the grille. There are turn indicators and outside rear view mirrors. This car is running on 16-inch alloy wheels. This is a diamond cut 5-spoke alloy wheel channel. Mounted roof rail for carrying your extra luggage. Shark fin antenna on top, rear defogger at the rear. Hyundai badging and Venue badging with turbo and Fusion Hyundai. It's XX model, top second version. Now the same things are repeated on the other side also. Now what we'll do, we'll go inside the car and let's see how it looks from inside. Let's go. Now this is a rear passenger door. It has one power window. It's not one touch up, it's completely down and completely up. It has one speaker. Okay, now let me sit inside the car and show you how does it look from inside. Now I'm sitting in a rear seat of Hyundai Venue. Now the driver seat adjusted to my sitting position. I'm 5'8" and I have a very good leg room. I have a very good headroom also, equal to a XUV class if I have to say. Now if I sit in between, I have to spread my legs because there's a small bump over here for AC vent, because this car also has rear AC vent here on the bottom. You can off the AC and you can on the AC, that's all, no other controls over here. I have to spread my legs and I can see that 3 people can easily sit in this car. If your family has 4 or 5 people, this is a perfect tourer for you. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the driver's seat and I'll show you clear cut how the driver's seat looks like. Come on, let's go. Darlings, now we are in the driving seat of Hyundai Venue. The best in class feature of this car is nothing but, let me present you, the sunroof. I can open the sunroof with just one touch. There's a button over here. I'll just push it to the other side and here it comes out. So it has beautiful sunroof. If I come in front, okay, I'll close this thing once again. If you push it back once again, this thing closes. Okay, on top you have 2 light functions. There's a function over here to off the lights completely or to on the lights completely. In between, if you open the doors, light will turn on. That's all. There's a rear view mirror over here. It's not automatic. It's tilt adjustable. If you come to the steering of the car, it's so beautifully designed. It's a completely sporty looking steering. Now it has voice command. It has mode function. It has what can you say? Volume up and down, track changer to receive the call, to cut the call. The best part is you have a cruise control over here. Now what's a cruise controller? I already explained you. What this does is it will put your car in one particular speed. Above 100, you need not touch your brake or accelerator. It will constantly be at that speed only. You can increase that speed from here or you can decrease the speed from here. Or you can cancel speed control directly from here. The horn is of a Skoda horn. It's a very typical one. It's a very beautiful one also. Now this is a 8-inch touchscreen over here. This supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also. Now how can you connect for this thing? From here. There's a USB port over here. Through this thing, by the USB cord, whatever you have, you can connect from Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And here, it's a power charger. This won't connect for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's only a power charger over here. And other side, you have a 12-volt socket over here also. This is an automatic climate control completely. AC on and off. The air to rotate outside the car or inside the car. Rear defogger, front defogger. And this is completely just for a digital purpose. To decrease the temperature or to increase the temperature, to increase the blower or to decrease the blower, to see the direction of the wind blow completely, whatever direction you want it, to off the AC completely. But I don't want to off the AC, I want the AC, so I'm putting it on. Okay, now if you come to the instrument cluster, it's also very neatly designed. At the center, there is speedometer. People who are enthusiasts of speed, this is the right one for you. There's a speedometer in the center, there's a tachometer at the left side. On the right side, there's an instrument display which can be operated with one small tiny lever over here. If you press it, if you can observe, it's changing. Now this is a trip meter B. This is a fuel empty gauge. How much distance your car can travel with the present fuel right now. Now this car can travel to 127 kilometers with present fuel. Okay, this is how many kilometers you have driven per liter. Normal things and all stuff like that. Okay. Now if you come to the left side of steering, this is for the wiper, and the right side is for the indicator, left side indicator or for the right indicator completely. That's all for the steering and all for this car. Let me come to the gear lever now. The gear lever is a 6-speed manual transmission, darling. It's just a 1-liter engine, 998cc, but this gives a power of 118 bhp. It's a very good power, I have to say, with 175 Newton meters of torque. Okay, the 0 to 100 of this car we hit close to 14.5 seconds, close to 15 seconds only, and I feel this is really good for that. There's a small compartment over here also. There's one more glove box. This is cool glove box over here. There are 4 bottle holders on 4 doors. We'll show this thing later for you people. There are crore door handles over there, and everything is beautifully laid out. I really feel the car is very airy. There's a handbrake over here. There's a very good neat glove box over here also for the storage compartment. So you can store very good things over here also. There's one more special feature in this car. If you're driving the car and you want to know what's going on behind you, it's very simple. Go to the menu. There's one option called DRVM. If you click on that, you can see whatever is going behind you from the screen itself. So guys, now we are at the boot of this car. A lot of people ask me what's the boot space of cars. I'll show you now. There's a small button over here. If you press it, that's all. Now this Hyundai Venue has a boot space of 350 liters. It's greater than i20 boot space, it's a bit lesser than Verna's boot space, it's equal to Brezza's boot space, and it's greater than EcoSport's boot space. If you come inside, there's a small light on the other side to show if in the night time, if you want to see what's there in your luggage, you can see this very clearly. There's a small parcel tray over here. If you lift the parcel tray, there's a spare wheel. This is a 16-inch wheel only, but it's not an alloy, it's a steel rim. The toolkit, it's also present here only. So let us go to the bonnet. Let's see the engine of this car. So guys, now let's open the bonnet of this car. I already opened this one small lever, that's all. Party trick. Let's open. So guys, this is a 998cc 1-liter turbo petrol engine. This is turbocharged engine. This gives you 118 PS of power, including that it's a 175 Newton meters of torque. The fuel capacity of this car is 45 liter capacity, and the mileage is close to 15.8 liters. In city, it is claimed that I don't test this thing, but I think you can test this thing out. The engine output is really very good, and I think this is a perfect car for you also. So guys, this was Hyundai Venue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to Drive Mod, share this video for people. If you have any comments that you want to give for us or any suggestions you want to give on next car reviews or next bike reviews, you can do it on the comment section below. And last but not the least, I need to thank few people. Firstly, let me thank Team Hail Happy Boys, Uday, cinematographer, Shyam, a person who helped me a lot in this place, and most importantly, Clement, for lending me to review his car. Last but not the least, follow us on Instagram, drivemode.dm. It's been a wonderful time, darling. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.